Hi, welcome back to Family Virtual Storytime with the Huntington Beach Public Library. My name is Miss Maribel and I hope you're doing well. Welcome back, friends. So, what do you think our theme is for this week? Any ideas? Look at my clues. What do you think? If you guessed boxes, you're right. Our theme for this week is boxes. Are you guys ready? All right. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. If you want to hear a story, sit down quietly. Shh. If you want to hear a story, sit down quietly. Shh. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, sit down quietly. Shh. Yay! Good job, my friends! Excellent job! All right. So our rhyme for today is called Here is a Box. I'm going to say a little rhyme. I'm going to give you some clues, and then you have to guess what's inside my box. We're going to do it 4 times, so you're going to have 4 chances to guess what's inside my box. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Let's grab my little box. Here it is. All right, and it goes like this. Here is a box where things can hide. I wonder what will be inside. Let's take a look. Ooh, I'll give you a clue. It's round and it bounces. What do you guys think it can be? You can throw it around. It'll bounce all over the place. What do you think? It can be lots of colors. Super bouncy and round. You got it? All right. If you guessed a ball, you're right. It's a ball. Good job, my friends. All right. Are you ready for the second one? Here goes. Here is a box where things can hide. I wonder what we will find inside. Are you ready? All right. It's a vehicle of transportation, and it goes choo choo. What do you think it can be? It runs on tracks. It can take lots of passengers. What do you think? If you guess train, you're right. It's a train. Choo choo. Yay! Give yourselves a hand. All right, friends, are you ready? Here is a box where things can hide. I wonder what we'll find inside. This is an animal. It's an amphibian. It lives in ponds. It goes ribbit, ribbit, and it's green. What do you think? If you guessed frog, you're right. Ribbit, ribbit. It's a frog. All right, friends. Are you ready for our last one? Here is a box where things can hide. I wonder what we'll find inside. Let's see. What do we have in here? This is also an animal. It has long floppy ears and it hops and it likes to eat carrots. What do you think it is? Let's think. Do you have it? It's a rabbit. Yay! If you guessed it, give yourselves a hand, my friends. Awesome job. All right, we're going to put our little box away, but it's going to come back later in our song, all right? All right. Our book for this week is called Not a Box, and it was written by Antoinette tortoise. And it goes like this. Why are you sitting in a box? It's not a box. What is it? Yeah, it's a race car. What are you doing on top of that box? It's not a box. What is it, friends? Yeah, it's a mountain. Why are you squirting a box? He's squirting it with that hose. What do you think he is imagining it is? Any ideas? Yeah, let's find out. I said it's not a box. What is it, friends? Yeah, he's pretending it's a burning building and he's the fire department and he's putting out the fire. He has a really good imagination. Now you're wearing a box. This is not a box. What is it? Yeah, he's pretending to be a robot. Are you still standing around in that box? It's not a box. What is he imagining that it is, friends? Yeah, he's imagining that it's a pirate ship, a hot air balloon, a little basket on top of an elephant, and a little boat, a little tugboat. You can pretend to do a lot of things with boxes, right? Well, then what is it then? If it's not a box, since he says it's not a box, so then what is it? What is it? It's my not a box. The end. Yay! All right, friends. So our flannel for this week is called Fox in a Box. So I have these different colored boxes, and under one of these boxes, there is a fox hiding. You guys have to tell me where you think the fox is. First, let's count how many boxes we have. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. Now, what color are these boxes, friends? What color is this one? Yeah, it's orange. What about this one? Purple. Good job. What about this one? Green. And this one? Blue. Good job. How about this one? Red. And then this one? Yellow. Good job, my friends. Good colors. Good color finding. All right. So, where do you think little fox is hiding? The orange one? All right, let's see. Little fox, are you behind the orange box? Inside the orange box? No, he's not there. Where can he be? The yellow box? Let's see, are you ready? Little fox, are you inside the yellow box? Let's see. No, he's not there. Where can he possibly really be? What do you guys think? The purple box? Let's check. Little fox, are you inside the purple box? Let's see. No, he's you think he's hiding? The red box? Let's find out. Little fox, are you inside the red box? Yay! There he is! You found him! Good job, my friends. All right. So, whoop. Let's put the box back on. Right there. Okie dokie, friends. Are you ready for our song now? Alrighty, let's bring back our box. Here we go. Are you ready? It's called Mystery Box. Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? All right, friends, are you ready? I'm going to give you some clues again. We have 4 things. This animal is a marine animal. It lives in the ocean and it is huge. And there are different kinds of this type of animal. And it eats krill. You guys have it? All right, if you guessed whale, you're right. Our first item is a whale. All right, are you ready? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? All right, are you ready? This is an item for transportation. They have 4 wheels and people use them to race. Do you know what it is? It has a steering wheel. If you guessed a car, you're right. It's a car. Vroom, 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 vroom. Give yourselves a hand if you guessed correctly, friends. All right, the last 2 items are animals. Are you ready? Here we go. Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? All right, my friends. This is an ancient animal who also had lots of different types that was within the same family. There were herbivores and there were carnivores. They had claws, long tails too, and they went roar. What do you think it is? Are you ready? Dinosaurs! If you guessed dinosaurs, you're right. Good job, friends. Are you ready for our last one? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Are you ready? This animal is black. It has wings. It is associated, so people think about this type of animal during Halloween. And it goes, eat, 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 eat. And it eats fruits. It eats fruits. What do you guys think it is? If you guys guess bats, you're right. It's a bat. Good job, my friends. You did amazing. Give yourselves a hand. Yay! All right, my friends. Are you ready for our goodbye song? All right, here we go. We sing goodbye like this. We sing goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We sing goodbye like this. We stomp goodbye like this. We stomp goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We stomp goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. See you next week, friends. Take care. Bye.